get into it.
Hello guys, welcome back to the 20th part of Arduino tutorial. So in my previous video I have shown how you can control the brightness of the LED using the PWM concept. So in this video we'll be using the same for controlling the speed of the DC motor, which is very required for many projects. So before watching this video you have to come across our previous tutorials on the PWM and the L293D motor driver. Both the links you can find in the description box. Coming to the components, you need the Arduino board, L293D motor driver. So when you buy any motor drivers, you have to check whether it has the enable pin or not. Some cheap boards doesn't come with this pin, so make sure to check before buying. And further you need a 12-volt DC motor, power supply and some connecting wires. Moving on to the connections part. So this is for the first motor. I'm connecting both the terminals. You can use any digital pins for the control pins of the motor driver. I'm using pin 2 and 3 to input 1 and input 2. And for the enable 1 pin, you have to use the PWM pin itself, because we'll be using the analog write function. So this is the pin with PWM option, connecting to pin 6. And finally, this is for the 12-volt power supply to the motor driver. Finally, I'll be connecting it to a 12-volt battery. So let's begin with the coding part. I'm declaring 3 variables because we have used 3 pins. So first will be the input 1 connected to pin 2. I'm declaring all the variables with the int data type. Input 2 connected to 3, and there is a third pin which is the enable 1 for the controlling speed. I have connected to 6, which is also a PWM pin. So declaration part is done. In the setup we have to make all the 3 pins as an output pin. We are done with the setup part. In the looping section we have to start first with running the motor in any one of the direction. So I'll make one pin as high and other one as low, the digital write. So input 1 will be high, input 2 will be low. So now the motor starts rotating with its maximum speed. In order to control the speed, we have to also provide the PWM value to the enable pin. For that we have to use the analog write function. So the pin is EN1. So as I have explained in my previous PWM tutorial, the value ranges from 0 to 255. So if you give 0, the motor will not run, and other than 0, based on the value the speed will change, and for the 255 it will run at the maximum speed. So now I'll show you at the maximum speed. I'll give it as 255. So just a small delay. That's it, the code. Now we'll upload and try and see how it works. So this is a 1000 RPM motor and it's running at its full speed. Just I'll try to reduce some speed. I'll make it as 150. So we can see the difference from before and now. We'll make even more slower. I'll give it as 60. So it's running too slow now. So if I give it as 0, then it stops running. We'll try that also. So this was all about the motor speed controlling using the PWM concept. I hope this video will be useful and you can use this logic part for a lot of your projects. For code and the circuit diagram, you can get the link in the description box, and also don't forget to watch our all previous tutorials. For more such interesting tutorials, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next one.